Okay, we're looking at Chapter 4, Section 4 in Geometry, 4.4, problem number 10. This one's asking us, given the length of the hypotenuse of a triangle, it wants us to solve for lengths B and C. Now remember, when we're looking at our triangles, we're going to have three sides. We have the short leg A, the short leg B, and the hypotenuse C. In the previous problems, we were given A and had to determine C and B, which made it simple because if we had a number to plug in already for A, then it was pretty straightforward. But in this scenario, we're given the length of C, and so it's going to become a little more challenging on the direction that we have to go, because when we get ready to solve for B, we have to determine A, or we have to know what A is, and we don't have that yet. So first thing we have to do is we have to find C. Or I'm sorry, find A. And the problem is telling us that C is equal to 16 kilometers. Well, I don't know what A is, so I cannot solve for B, because you can see right here I have to have A. But since I know what C is, I can use this equation to determine A. So I'm going to go C equals 2A. Well, if C is 16 kilometers, and 16 equals 2A, and I'm solving for A. So I'm going to isolate my variable, right? I want to solve for A. I'm going to divide by 2. What I do to one side, I do to the other. That will get rid of this and leave A by itself. And then 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay. So then my final answer for A equals 8. Now that I know what A is, I can use A in my formula up here to solve for B. So I know now that A equals 8 kilometers. So given my equation, B equals A times the square root of 3, and since A is 8, I can say B equals 8 times the square root of 3. So now I've solved for A, and since I was able to find A, I was able to plug it in and solve for B. So to finish this problem out, I was given C at 16 kilometers. I solved for A and found that it was 8 kilometers. And then once I had that, I was able to solve for B and determine that B, if I took 8 and then I multiplied it by the square root of 3, that would give me the number of kilometers for the length of B, for this length right here. And so that's all there is to solving this problem. I just have to make sure, again, before I was able to do A or B, or I'm sorry, C or B, no matter in whichever order. In this scenario, I have to solve for C first. I'm sorry, I have to solve for A first, because I'm going to need A to find B. Hopefully that makes sense, and we'll do one more problem on another video. Good luck.